Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JEE Main examination. This question came on 27th August 2021 in shift 2. So let us see this question first. Question says a transistor for a transistor alpha and beta, which is the current gain are given as IC by alpha is IC by I. So alpha is the ratio of collector current to the ammeter current, which is a current gain when common base ammeter has been taken, and beta is your again current gain, which is collector current ratio of collector current to the base current. This expression comes only when the ammeter is the common ammeter has been taken. Again, then the correct relationship between alpha and beta will be, so you need to find out the correct relationship between alpha and beta. We already know that collector current must be equal to ammeter current must be equal to collector current plus base current. Okay, so the ammeter current is a sum of collector current plus base current, that we already know. So if I'll write this expression as IE by IC, so it would be equivalent to 1 plus IB by IC. So this expression we'll be getting if I'll divide both the side with 1 upon IC. So this is nothing but alpha. Okay, so it would be 1 plus alpha. It would be equivalent to 1 plus 1 upon beta. Okay, so because the value of these two is already given to you. Now you have to solve this in order to get the value of in order to find out which expression is correct. Okay, it can also be written as 1 upon beta, could also be written as 1 upon alpha minus 1. So it would be equivalent to 1 minus alpha by alpha. Okay, so beta comes out to be alpha by 1 minus alpha. So this is a one expression that we are getting. So let us see this, which expression will be correct. So second option that we are getting is a correct option. Okay, rest other expressions you can easily calculate, you can easily find out the value of beta alpha also using the same relationship, and you can easily check whether which expression is correct. I hope so second would be our correct option. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.